The Silk Road Lantern Festival at the CNE highlighted how the East and the West learned from one another along the trade routes called the Silk Road. I was especially drawn to the Atlas Smith, poor Atlas, carrying the world on his shoulder. He planned his escape many times but failed. Such endurance and strength, and yet so burdened. This myth has inspired writers and artists throughout history. What was it saying to me? Near Atlas was the dragon lantern. In the West, hero myths portray the dragon as scary, powerful, and evil. It must be conquered and slain. But in the East, the dragon is a symbol of strength and inner power, and is ridden and embraced. Could the East have something to teach me? I made a selection of the dragon and used polar coordinates, transform, oil filter, and liquefy to make it more expansive. I wanted to accentuate its power and give it the feel of encompassing the earth. Doubling the claw added to the effect. It was when I put the two images together that the story unfolded. This story is a letting go of all the burdens that bind us and weigh us down, and riding the creative fire within us. Watch my interpretation of the story.